Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna be making a bracket thing. It's for my resin 3D printer. It's a LongerOrange. I bought it used and it was missing one of the brackets that hold like the plastic, the orange plastic sides together. This will be a very simple model. So the first thing I did is I always go and click on the eye for origin. That way I have somewhere to start. I'm just going to click this plane and create a sketch. I press R for rectangle. Now I'm going to measure this. So it's 40 millimeters long. Call that 10 wide. Now we need another rectangle. I'm going to go ahead and hide the origin. So I'll start the rectangle up on this one and I'll just measure it as is. Now we know it's going to be 10 millimeters wide and it should be 40 long. So yeah, that's what it's basically shaped like. So we'll left click. Now control left click over here, control left click over here. Then you right click and extrude. And it is 2.75. So now there's some walls that we gotta make. So we'll right click on the body, we'll create a sketch. And this should be done basically with all rectangles. So I'm gonna press R, go up this corner. And all the walls are 3 millimeter. So 3 by 40. Now I'll come over here, same spot, press R, 3 millimeters. Press R. I'm gonna start over here on the right. So I just drug it over to the edge here. That's 30 millimeters. So what we'll do is we'll just make it 33. So it's got the little overhang. Now press R again. Come over here. Drag it. Now all that's left is to control click all this stuff. Right click. Extrude. So the whole piece is about 20 millimeters. So we got to take off the 2.75 that I've already extruded. So we're going to go 17.25. And that's pretty much what this bracket looks like. I don't think I'm going to do any fillets on this one. So I've gone over this before. To make this, you just go to the tools, make 3D print. I don't have anything connected to 360, so I come over and uncheck that box. It should stay. So you got to click on your body, and you'll be able to click OK, and then you can save the STL somewhere. Once you got it saved, you can go ahead and open it up in your slicing software, whatever you need. All these 3D printers are different. I use Cura, and Cura works pretty good for me. So, alrighty, thanks for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, all that helps. It doesn't cost you anything, and it'll keep you updated on new projects.